Alright, Lori, we're back with Snowy River. Anyway, girl, I will tell you one thing I've noticed about her, and I haven't been keeping her in the crate that much, but she does not like to go outside. I literally have to drag this dog outside, and she's pooped in the house like 3 times. And I'm sure it's because when she does go out, she's just worried about coming back in. But I gotta tell you, the other deaf ones of that was, I've never seen so many dogs that don't want to go outside. I'm literally dragging these dogs outside. Anyway, so I do have her going with the down, but you can see, I don't know, girl, I don't know how you took her to that pet festival before, and she acted completely normal, because we just got here, and she just sees people, and she's already barking, but I don't want you to worry, she's improving, so anyway, we're just going to work on now shaping healing. We're past just walking back and forth, and I am adding my nick, and we're going to start adding a down when we stop, so. Oh, my little Snowy River. So doing my pager. You know, and that's what's able to get her mind, you know, if you can get them into food drive. Just doing a little bit of pressure. Oh, my little Snowy River. She's a wonderful companion. I went to dinner last night. I just left her loose in the house. She was very, very sad to see me go. Alright, so same thing. I do have my nick. Because really, I can't be out in public with a dog that's barking at people, so. Healing. My little Snowy River. She's what we call a booger barker. She booger barks. Alright, so I'm going to add my nick right there. I pushed her away. I didn't push her away. I pushed her back towards me is what I did. Honestly, her saving grace is that she loves the treats. It's honestly probably the most nervous dog I've ever seen that likes treats. All right, I'm putting my foot on there. I'm doing my pager. I'm going to do a little foot tap. So when she started to go away and bark, I just pushed her back towards me with the pager. It's pretty subtle, but my fingers don't seem to be working right here. I seem to get the treats out of here. She's like, what? What's wrong with you? Okay, I went out last night, okay? I only think I drank only like 3 beers. I'll tell you what, that Norwoods, they got some good food there. Good food. Alright, so I'm going to start healing. She's going to see that guy so hard I'm going to be ready to turn. Added my nick right there. So that was actually set on. Alright, so I'm going to get my foot on there. I'm doing my pager right when there's any pressure on there. Our girl, don't worry, she's making progress every day. But let me see what my nick was set on. Set on 40 right there. Hey guys.